Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can possibly change your location on Indeed, so let's get right into it. Indeed is an online job seeking or employing service, very similar to LinkedIn, where you can either search for a job as a job seeker by inputting keywords and finding the perfect job for you, creating your online resume, and so on and so forth. Or you can be an employer, put up job listings, and manage your applicants through the in-app managing service. But yeah, as I said, you can create your own resume, and in that resume, I suppose you can change your own location. That is on the PC version. As you can see, I'm on the web browser now. However, on the mobile, you can do that much easier. You'll just go into the hamburger menu, which is on the top right of your screen, scroll down until you see country and language, and then just select your country, and that's basically it. On the PC, it's a bit different. You want to go into your profile, and as you can see, you can change your location by going into contact information. You can put in your phone number, you can put in your address, your country, and so on and so forth. And here you can change your country. Just click change and you'll have the list of all countries in the world, and that is pretty much it. The language is a different story. I have tried to change my language and I did not have any success. However, you can possibly find some other tutorials online which might help you with that. I haven't found one, but yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.